Might be a plane, but I'm still going to take a look at it, even though it could be just a plane. Oh, there's a UFO. And there's the plane. See, they're like appearing beside the planes. So they're going down now instead? Yeah. Interesting. A flash for us. Nice big flash would be appreciated. Plane. Sometimes we see UFOs around them like I just showed you. Wait a minute. That's a helicopter. Yeah. Look at the way it's going down. See that? I saw a helicopter today at the biological lab. It landed and then took off. Oh, yeah, they're landing again right at the lab, guys. Yep. Helicopter landing tonight. It's 11 o'clock. You know I feel like going in the car now, right? There we go. Hi. Nice and bright. There they are. Any flashes? Can't stay with them all, eh? See how many there are. You look ahead of them and you sort of see often the traffic. I have to say, as I always told you, April, May, but especially May, a lot of UFO activity. Different directions, different sizes, lights, flashes, and every year I see a different type of UFO. Hopefully this year we'll see the same. Now this is going to bring us to other lights in the sky so that we can see other lights. Oh, it's dipping now. Dipping down quite a bit. Let's see what we see as we follow it. As I deal with the bugs on my shoulders and my eyes. And in an area of the sky, in the north, and I would have to say the northwest, but it's a common area to see them low in the sky, but not to see them like this. It's going to disappear soon, pretty sure. Can you disappear for us? Completely disappear and vanish for us, disappear. I don't want to force you. I don't want to, you're doing a job, so then, bugs all over. Different types of bugs all over my face. Any more UFOs out there? Before our friend disappears. There's one. Appeared right in the center of the screen. He's right there. He wants us to follow it. Because if we follow it, we'll see other lights. So this is what I do, guys, at night. Get footage of the moon, infrared. I like to do the research footage because I have a lot of studying I've been doing on the surface, and a lot of things I've been seeing that I've been trying to show everyone. It's not always easy. Once explained the research, there's another one catching up to it. See what happens. Imagine it takes it out, like Star Wars. I'll get Star Wars movie up. Whoop, is it going to go up higher? Are we going to see a third one? Really like these videos, and if you do too, guys, one's going to disappear. You're going to be Here we go. I wasn't kidding. I was still up there. Guy. Let's trick a little bit. So tricking means right now I don't see any with the visible eye, but I'll look. There's one, you see. That's tricking. What I call tricking. So let's see if it's going to follow the plane. There's going to be an interaction around it. I love doing this because
I bet you didn't see it. UFO went right by it. They're that hard to see.
And this, don't forget, these are very small planes. There's one going by over top there. There's something, guys, with those lights. They're not planes. I believe they're helicopters, and we've seen them going really low, and I saw one land, which you've just seen in the video already. If not, I'll be posting it. I think you did. Oh, there's a light there. Going over top, watching it. See it?
So I'm going to call it a UFO. It could be a helicopter. But watch 3 lights appear at one point. It totally looks like a craft in the sky, and it slows down and almost comes to a complete stop.
For real, it's at there, right where that lab is. Will it land though? I could be wrong. It's not a plane for sure, because I know it's a small craft, but it would be going faster. That is faux show a helicopter. We'll wait till it goes by the tower here. I don't trust those mosquitoes because I haven't seen any for 3 years. Where is it? There it is. See, guys? How slow it's going? It's a helicopter. Oh, jeez. Yacht Load. Beyond Mystic 003, my friend. Check it out. There we go. It's going back down, guys. Right behind the water tower. Exactly where that biological base is. Lab. Sorry. It's looking at something, or it's going to land again. Hey, that is intriguing me. I'm trying to zoom in. Was it not working?
It's the first time of my life that I see what's like a helicopter, but now I see 3 lights, but yet again I do see a strobe light. I've never seen a UFO with a strobe light. Interesting capture. Look at the lights around that object. And it landed. It's going down to the ground. It's not going across the sky. It even slows down.
Getting a little dark, that's for sure, but I'm set up with the beast to get that object right there for you all this evening. Wish me luck. I know it's dark. Came out a little late. We should see some good stuff. Look at her. Nice and wide. So that's a mirror on the balcony. while I'm inside, so I can see where the moon is in the screen as it's moving over. Got that way back there in the chair there.
Oh shit, I wouldn't take that if he came and got me and I was on a deserted island for 10 years. No way I'm getting in that thing. I wouldn't support me in the sky, I'm sure. Ladies and gents, thanks so much, everyone. See you in the comment section. Thanks for being here. Everyone, thanks for the generous contributions, and thanks for watching the videos.
Aliens up there on the moon. They may be even coming right here soon. Aliens are landing on the moon. Yes, they are up there. Doesn't matter, cause disclosure's coming soon. Disclosure's coming soon.